got my rhymes and Zach Braff taking a nap. I attack motherfuckers wearing purple backpacks, and I snack on towel racks and take a shit on your track. Yeah, you're whack, cause everybody understands what you say. But when I get on the mic, I make milk out of clay, and I play air guitar with a tube of toothpaste, and I say karate pencil case and put it on tape. Yo, I'm MC Insecure, what's up? I really don't think that I'm good enough to be rhyming on this track, cause my lyrics suck. All my verses fall flat like a hockey puck. It took me 7 months to write the first part of my verse, and now I got nothing left, so I'll pretend that I got hurt. Ow! Oh, I think I sprained my ankle. You guys go ahead and finish the song without me. Yo, MC Amnesia up in this bitch. Woke up 5 days ago, lying in the ditch. Didn't know who I was, I couldn't remember shit. Apparently something happened that was traumatic. I used to have more rhymes, but I can't remember them. Seriously, I'm freaking out, I can't remember anything. What's my motherfucking name? Seriously, does anyone know what my name is? Yo, I'm MC Public Urination, what? I take a fucking piss on the fucking sidewalk. Anytime, any place, I just whip out my cock and empty my bladder while you motherfuckers watch. You other MCs can't handle this shit. You're just a little bitch afraid to pee in public. You run into a toilet every time you have to piss. Yo, fuck that shit, I just whip out my dick. Yo, MC fatigue, yeah, that's me. Every time I grab the mic, I fucking fall asleep. I'm the guy who sings the chorus. It breaks up the song. My part is kinda boring. I wish that I could go home, but they're paying me to sing the chorus, and I really need the cash, cause I'm unemployed at the moment. Just moved back in with my dad. Yo, I'm MC, doesn't know what irony is. Walked up to a girl and I gave her a kiss. She said, let's go to your place, I'll suck your dick. I said, hell yeah, bitch, that's so ironic.
Yo, I'm MC, get sidetracked easily. My rhymes are badass like Gandolfini. You know he's known for The Sopranos, but he's also in movies like Get Shorty and Terminal Velocity, which I didn't really like, cause I don't like Charlie Sheen. Well, I guess in Hot Shots he was kinda funny, but I prefer Leslie Nielsen in The Naked Gun. You know who else was in that movie? O.J. Simpson, which is kinda weird knowing what he did after that. Wait, what was I saying? I think I got sidetracked.
Yo, I'm MC Lethal Weapon 1, 2, and 3. I really like those movies, but the 4th disappointed me. Danny Glover, Mel Gibson, and Joe Pesci. Why did they have to make a 4? They had a perfect trilogy. MC Lethal Weapon 4, that's me. I disagree with MC Lethal Weapon 1, 2, and 3. Although I agree that it is a groundbreaking trilogy. The 4 was awesome cause they added Chris Rock and Jet Li.
Yo, I'm MC, shit my pants frequently. It usually happens when I'm walking down the street, or when I'm hanging out with some fly ass hoes. There we go, thank God I brought a change of clothes.
Yo, I'm the MC with the final verse. I'm supposed to sum up everything you heard, but motherfuckers, I don't really have the time. So fuck that and come back to the chorus guy.
I'm still singing the chorus. Thank God we're almost done. I hate singing the chorus. It's such a boring fucking job. I'm gonna take my 40 bucks. That's what they're paying me. And I'm gonna go get really drunk. Masturbate then go to sleep.
Wait a minute. I remember what happened now. You guys raped me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
kinda fucking raped
Yeah, we did. What? No wonder I couldn't remember anything. I thought you guys were my friends. That is not cool.
No, it's ironic.
No, it's not ironic. I don't think you understand. Dude, could you stop peeing while I'm talking? And what the fuck is that? Did someone shit their pants?
Yep.
He doesn't know where he was last night. He's not sure where he is right now. But he's 4 games up in his fantasy football league. And the real abomination, he doesn't even care.
Laka, laka, laka. In my stomach, so good, so good.
The League premieres Thursday, October 29th, only on FX.
fucking sandwich and a chicken ticket. I got a liquid facelift from a fig with big tits, and my wrist got twisted by a Brit with fake spit. And you don't understand it, cause you're not supposed to. Like a candy cane snake in a jealous cartoon. And I'm gonna leave soon, but first I need to drink a Chevy Chase face and rate RoboCop 2.
Yo, I'm MC, historical inaccuracy. I drop lyrical bombs like Hiroshima in 73. I write rhymes like Shakespeare when he wrote Anne Frank's diary, which is about the Civil War of 1812 in Germany. I'm like the Spanish Inquisition when they killed Jesus, and Abe Lincoln's suicide was the theme for my thesis. Like Moses, when I focus, I could split the Red Sea, like he did in 1950 with the Chinese army.
I'm MC, don't know how to pluralize word. I got so many rhymes and I sleep with all the girls. When there's more than one of something, you're supposed to pluralize, but I never learned that throughout all the year I've been alive.
Hello, I'm MC Canadian Stereotype. I'm about to get started, so let me get off the ice. But I don't want any trouble, and I am always polite. Now let's hop on my snowmobile, and I will tell you what I like. But first, I'll turn off curling and turn down Avril Lavigne. Et je vais dire une phrase en français parce qu'ici on est bilingue. Oh boy, I fell off my igloo and I hurt my knee. Let's go to the hospital. Don't worry, here in Canada it's free, eh?
MC fatigue, did you miss me? I'll be awake for 5 minutes cause I had a coffee. I'll try to get through my verse, but I really don't know. I drank that coffee about 5 minutes ago. They hired me again to sing this motherfucking chorus. I haven't found a fucking job yet, so I gotta do this bullshit. I can't take it, I'm done. I don't think that I can sing another fucking chorus. I think I'm gonna jump off a bridge or shoot myself like Kurt Cobain did. I think my dad has a gun. I'm MC, knows too many facts about bees. 50 miles an hour is their average speed. A queen can lay up to 3,000 eggs in a day. Just cause I know a lot about bees doesn't mean that I'm gay. I'm also MC in the closet, homosexual. I hide it cause it's easier to be heterosexual. We can't even get married in most states here in America. It's fucked up.
Gay marriage is legal here in Canada.
I'm MC, homophobic fucking asshole. Being gay is evil and it is unnatural. Jesus said to love thy neighbor, but only if they are straight. Penises go in vaginas, anything else is just insane. I'm MC, extremely inappropriate rhymes. I shake things up like J Fox when I get on the mic, and I drop my enemies just like Christopher Reeve's horse. Then I put them to sleep like Heath Ledger, of course.
Whoa! I'm MC extremely politically correct. I disagree with the previous MC's lyrical content. It's offensive, insensitive, and in very bad taste. Just like that guy who wrote that song when Michael Jackson passed away.
Yo, MC final verse, here to end the song. One was enough, we didn't need a sequel, John. Make a fourth, show me your genitals or another normal guy. But for now, let's end this stupid song with a suicide.
This is the last time that I will ever sing a chorus. My dad's gun was in his closet, and I'm gonna end this bullshit. I had a good run. I'm gonna pull the trigger as soon as I finish the chorus. Sayonara and farewell. I guess I'll see you all in hell. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, course guy killed himself.
Just like John Lennon and JFK.
And O.J. Simpson's wife. Only one bullet? It takes 1,000 bee stings to kill a man. That is a lot of bee. There's more blood than a rubber hose bottle of foot. Shut up, queer fags.
We don't tolerate that kind of hateful language in Canada.
I'm gonna go call an ambulance.
Who's gonna sing the chorus from now on?
Hey. You can't spell chorus without vagina. WTF Collective? More like WTF Sausage Fest.